Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been so long since I last filmed, but honestly, I've been through some things. And we also moved into our new house, so we have more space to film. Anyways, I want to make a video about nails. I'm so annoying. Okay, hold up. So I wanted to make a video all about my nails because as you can see, they're terrible, and I keep getting ads on Instagram and Facebook about this really cute nail company. So basically they're gel nails that are 60% cured, and basically it's a sticker. You put it on your finger and you cure it, and it's like going to a salon but way cheaper. So I'm just gonna show you guys the process of me buying it and then reviewing what it's like. Yeah, I'm such a weirdo, babe. Okay, so the company that sells these gel nails is called VanityTable.official, and they're based in South Korea, and Korean beauty is super in right now, but I've been seeing them on my timeline and I thought I would give it a try. So I'm gonna show you guys some cute nail decor that they have. Let's go to their website. I'll show you guys this on the screen. Okay, Vanity Table, and their nail collection is called Ohora. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And if you're the first time user or first time on their website, they do offer you 10% off your order, but you have to click the link to your messenger. So I think you have to be connected to Facebook. Anyways, so they have some cute nails. Also, if you are a first time buyer on this website, you get the curing light for free with the code OHORA-FREE. It's really cool. Yeah, let's go to their nails. So they have some cute designs. I really want to try this because I am definitely so bad at doing my own nails, and I just don't like going to salons to get my nails done because I'm a shy person. And so there's all these cute styles you can pick from. They're a little pricey, but I think I would much rather buy from them than going to a salon and paying 40, 50 bucks for a cute design on my nails. I ended up spending $49. That includes shipping, and then I also got the curing light for free. Let's see, so I got their Ohora Pro Glossy Top Gel, and that was 20 bucks, and I think you just put that over the gel nails after you cure them. And then I got the gel lamp, and usually it goes for $18, but I got it for free using the code OHORA-FREE. And then I'm gonna try out these nails. They're super cute. Yeah, they're just green with some abstract and some gold. They look like this. I think it looks super cute. And that was all I got this time around. So once it gets shipped, I will show you guys how to put them on. Actually, I don't even know how to put it on. I'm just gonna show you the process of me trying to put them on, and I'll let you know how long it took to ship because it is a South Korea based company. I'll update you guys once that arrives. All right, as you guys can tell, I'm wearing something completely different from the intro, and that's because it actually took really long for the nails to get to me. It took about a week and a half. I think it's mostly because they're closed on weekends, and also you gotta remember this is from South Korea, so it's gonna take a while. So I got my package. It looks like this. And I got the gel lamp, and then here are the nails. How cute. And then I also got their Pro Glossy Top Coat, which looks like, oh, my beauty guru now, looks like this. And this is just a gel top coat to make your nails last longer. So I'm gonna start opening this, and I will you guys. So here's the gel lamp. Let's see. All right, super teeny. Like this, and then it has a USB port, and they also give you the USB, so that is great. Let's plug this baby in. All right, so I have it plugged in. Let's see. Ooh. So I heard that you should just do it like this so you get all of your nails in at once. That's cool. All right. I'm out of breath. Let's open this one up. This packaging is super cute. Let's see. It's like holographic. Cute. And this is the top. And this is the top coat. That's super cute. And then this is the nails. I still haven't seen what this looks like in person. And it comes in a UV protected box because these are 60% cured. This will help them to not cure on the way to you. Let's see. Ooh, oh my gosh, they're cute. That's really cute. Okay, I think this is just one of them. Let's see. Oh, look at them. So cute. Awesome. And then it comes with a prep pad just to get all the oils off of your fingers. Cute. And then they also give you something to push your cuticles back and a file to file down your nails and to file off the excess of the nails. So I'm going to show you guys how I put them on and curing them and all that. So keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to use the prep pad. I use the prep pad. Just to get all those oils off. And now you're just gonna measure your nails and see which one fits closest to your nail bed. So what I'm doing is I put the gel over my nail and I measure to see if it's gonna hit all the way around. Sometimes it's kind of hard to see. I think I'm gonna do my ring finger. Let's see. Okay, that's a good fit. So I'm just gonna peel this off. And I'm gonna press it on one side. And then roll it onto the other side. And you wanna make sure that you're pressing hard. Then I'm just gonna peel the top layer right off. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Kind of shaping it to my nail. This one is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's way pretty. And this, like, it feels thick like a gel. I've seen a lot of people either file it off or just cut it off. I think I'm gonna try cutting it off with some scissors. Got some scissors, try not to cut your actual nail. Oh yeah, that's a lot easier. And then I'm gonna file it. And now I'm gonna cure that. Make sure you put these back in the box. So that is what it looks like. File a little bit more. Dang, that's like on there. Awesome. Okay, as you guys saw, I just did this nail. I don't know if you can tell. Let's see. Looks like that. And it looks so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my other nails. Same technique. Just measuring how big my nails are and matching them to these, and then I will show you guys the finished result. It's pretty easy, not a lot of room for error. So yeah, I will show you guys when I have all my nails done. Okay, so I just finished this hand. It took about 10 minutes just because I'm trying to figure out how to do it. So these actually came out super cute. Let's see, focus, super cute. It was really easy, and they actually feel like, well, they are basically gel nails. They're just a lot thicker, and they are seriously on there like for good after curing them. So yeah, and the best thing about this is that you can kind of tug on it and make it like fit to your finger a little bit better. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go finish this hand and then I will show you guys the results. Okay, so these are the finished nails. They turned out super cute. They're really easy to put on. And also this top gel is amazing and it cures with the light in 30 seconds. And I just think this is gonna make it last longer. So please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and go check out Ohora nails, and also subscribe so I can continue to make fun content. Okay, bye.